Alright, so this is going to be a review on the Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax. You got your cloth, I guess, in the applicator. So you can see it's an older vehicle. Has some fading. See if we could bring it back to life a bit. So here's a better shot of that fading. Still got a shine, but it's definitely losing the the color there. I guess the clear coat. So we'll put this butter wet wax to the test and see what it can do. So there are the steps. Can't focus here. But pretty much shake well, clean surface before applicating. Apply a thin coat to surface using a quality microfiber or foam applicator. Buff off wax using a premium microfiber towel for a deep wet shine. And I seen I guess a review from Chemical Guys, and they do it pretty quick. So we'll put it on, and then we'll just we'll take it off right after. We'll buff it out, see what's up. All right, so they recommend you just put a couple of lines on this thing and dab it throughout. Kind of apply it everywhere, even it out. I'm gonna be generous with it just because this, again, you've seen the clear coat's pretty bad, so we're gonna get generous with it. Try to put a little more in those bad spots up here. Not a professional at this, not a professional detailer, just trying to get it done. And this thing smells really good. It's like a banana, so it's pleasant for sure. So now we'll just kind of buff it in there. We'll give it a good coating. Try our best to even it out. We'll swirl it out. It's really soft. Goes on quick. We're looking for one that you didn't have to use a buffer like a machine and all that. Seen those nasty swirls, so this is the best option, I guess, from what we've seen online. Where it's really bad, so I'm gonna put a little more up here. When you look at the headlights, they're a little they have some of that sun damage as well. They say you could put it on that also, so we'll go ahead and give that a shot here. Just kind of, I'm gonna do the whole car. We're just gonna show the worst part, which will be the hood. The rest of the car's in good shape. Really gonna try to get in there. Off that up. Alright, so if you take a look at the hood on them, you can see the swirls, I guess, from the wax. It's kind of just sitting there. And I'm gonna go ahead and buff that out now with the microfiber. All right, so here's the microfiber we're gonna use, and just gonna buff it out now. So I'm gonna give it a good pressure. Gonna do swirls, tight swirls, and we'll see how it comes out. I'll put it back in the sun so you guys can take a look at it. Yeah, it's coming right off. You can still see the fading, but I can definitely see a shine on top of that, so that's a good thing. And I think came off easy. So you can see it definitely puts a nice shine on that, and wasn't that hard to do. So the fading on the clear coat's still there, but there's a nice layer of shine to it. So better than nothing. So let's try this head. All right, so the wax is still on there. So let's buff this out. Let's see if it makes a difference. Yeah, I gotta say so. I mean, it's not magic, but definitely a little clearer to see. We can show the other one so you can see the difference. Alright, show the other one again. Definitely a difference. So I recommend putting on the headlamps for sure. So yeah, let's put it back into the sun, and we'll give you guys that view of the fading of the clear coat on it, and see if it made it a little better. All right, so definitely got a clear coat on it. The patina's still faded, obviously. Probably need a new paint job, but the shine is there. It's pretty cool. You know, with the Lexus up. We'll do that one next, but yeah, this one's the worst of the paint that we got, so definitely recommend it. I used it on my wife's car, and her car is a lot newer than this one, so on a clear coat that's still intact on the car, on this butter wet wax is the way to go. We did the rest of the car, so this is before the buffing. You can see it has like a film on it. Comes right off though, so I'll give you a before and after here. And there's the shine, so a lot easier on the clear coat. Don't look too bad. The sides are super polished. The headlamps look pretty good. Again, the hood definitely looks better. You can still see the fading, but there's like a layer of wax on top, so hopefully it won't get worse. And the shine on the sides is crazy. It's really good. Alright, definitely would recommend it. It's quick. Just put it on, wipe that off, and couldn't be happier.